Are you struggling to keep your network running smoothly? Discover the top tools that can transform your network management. Progress WhatsUp Gold offers full visibility into everything connected to your network, making it the best overall choice. With WhatsUp Gold, you can see your servers, virtual machines, network devices, and cloud environments all in one place. Cacti is the best bare-bones option, perfect for those who need a simple yet effective monitoring tool. Cacti integrates with the simple network management protocol to create graphical representations of network traffic. Nagios 11 is ideal for growing companies, offering both open source and commercial versions for scalability. Nagios 11 provides comprehensive monitoring solutions and quick problem remediation, perfect for expanding businesses. Zabbix stands out for its device flexibility, supporting a wide range of network protocols and devices. Zabbix allows you to collect data and monitor your networks without opening different tabs, making it highly efficient. Manage Engine Op Manager is the best for complex environments, offering robust tools for network monitoring. Op Manager provides greater visibility into switches, firewalls, servers, and more, making it perfect for large businesses. Datadog excels in app monitoring, offering a wide range of products and features for complex infrastructures. Datadog's versatility makes it ideal for SaaS and consumer-focused companies needing uptime monitoring and user analytics. Hassler PRTG Network Monitor is the best for SMBs, offering standard features without overwhelming complexity. PRTG Network Monitor can handle up to 1,000 devices, making it perfect for small to medium-sized businesses. Wireshark is the best for multi-platform companies, supporting nearly any operating system for real-time analysis. Wireshark's deep protocol inspection capabilities make it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. Combining these tools with industry best practices can give you fuller visibility over your assets and a healthier network environment. Depending on your security requirements, you can choose advanced features or just the basics with these top tools. Progress WhatsUp Gold offers a modular pricing system, allowing companies to pick and choose the features they need. Cacti is a forever free tool, making it an excellent choice for small businesses with technical expertise. Nagios Xai's multi-tenant architecture and APIs make it highly customizable for growing companies. Zabbix supports Hyper-V, VMware, and other virtualization hypervisors, offering flexible metric collection. Manage Engine Op Manager's easy-to-use interface allows admins to quickly find the root of problems. Datadog's automation tools and app performance troubleshooting make it a robust choice for complex infrastructures. Hassler PRTG Network Monitor's quick sensor discovery and remote probe feature make it user-friendly and scalable. Wireshark's live capture and offline analysis capabilities make it easy to identify and troubleshoot latency issues. Real-time monitoring, traffic analysis, and fault detection are key features to look for in network monitoring tools. Consider your network size, team expertise, and integration needs when choosing the right tool. Open-source tools like Cacti and Wireshark offer flexibility but may require more technical expertise. Commercial solutions like Progress WhatsUp Gold and Manage Engine Op Manager offer stability and support. Choose the right network monitoring tool to protect your network and ensure smooth operations.